नमो नारायण यौ सचंद्रार्कनक्षत्रां खं दिशो भूर्महो दधि वासुदेवस्य वीर्येण विद्रुतानि महात्मनः. The Vishnu Sahasranamam Falastuti, what it says in 14th is, even the heaven, the moon, the sun, the stars, the sky, the directions, Dikku, the earth, ocean, all these things are in respective position, they are held in the cosmos. It is only because of the Vasudeva. It is really great thing how the without falling anywhere, they are all in the respective spheres. It's really Vasudeva is only doing this particular one. Sasurasura Gandharvam Sayashoragarashtasam Jagadvase Vartatedam Krishnasa Sacharacharam. They're continuing the same spirit. Even the gods, deities, small deities, and Rakshasas, Gandharvas, Yashas, Pannaga, that means snake varieties, Rakshasas, all these people are following the order of Sri Krishna. That is the meaning. That means we are nobody, we are no exceptions. We have to know that God is controlling all those things. So if you pray to Him, all other gods are automatically satisfied. That logic is there here. Indriyani manobuddhi sattvam tejo balam dhruti vasudevaatmakanyahu kshetram kshetrajya evacha. Here, jnana karma indriyas, the mind, intellect, chitta means it is a storehouse, and then kanti, that is shining, the glow you will have, the strength, the courage, the body, the jiva, they are the shape of Vasudeva. Vasudeva is not different from these things. That is what you have to think. Sarvagamana Achara Pradhamam Parikalpate Achara Prabhavo Dharmo Dharmasya Prabhurachyutaha. Here a lot of explanation can be given. One has to, time permitting, it's a big subject itself. Even before all Vedas, Dharma has been proposed. And from the Acharam is proposed. From the Acharam, Dharmam is produced. And the Lord of Dharma is the Achyuta, Vishnu himself. What do you mean by Acharam? Before you start any prayer, any vratam, you are supposed to take bath and then pray to your what you call parents also, respect them. Gurus, you respect them. And then you go to the Guru, he gives the knowledge. So there is a way. Even to take the food also, the Vedas are very specific. Wash your hands and leg. Achamanam, wash you 3 times. Achyutananta, Govindanand, Madhava, Krishna. By telling all those things, the body and mind are purified, then your food will be okay. It was also mentioned how the food should be cooked and how long it should be taken. You can't keep it a long time with heating in the microwave. That is not the thing. Within 3 hours you should complete it. Strictly speaking, within 45 minutes of cooking, it should be taken. It is not overnight you keep it in the fridge and take it. You may manage, but the ingredients will lose their vitality in its natural form. So, dharmo rashyataha. So, you will have good thoughts if you are living in a pious atmosphere way. If you take take bath and apply vibhuti and sitting facing the east, there is a direction also mentioned, and praying to your guru, and then do your work, then things will work out in a better way because mind is very pleasant. You have taken fresh food, the mind is very active. All those things will happen. So dharma means if you are having to maintain the whole world, a healthy body and healthy mind is required. If healthy mind will be there only in the healthy body. Healthy body means you have to take the bath without taking bath and without even washing the teeth. You are having bed coffee, all those things. That's not the way at all. And sit straight, it was mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. You, the disciples are not supposed to lean comfortably at the back of the chair and leisurely lay down on a bed and read. No, there is a strict way of doing Vedic way of doing the things. There are many things like this. This is only a glimpse of this what I have given it. So the cloths are regularly washed, and the items are properly cooked and properly covered and served. Immediately it is cleaned. The table is cleaned with water. It's what we call it suddhi. Because if people go immediately, people sit there in that particular table, that is not the situation at all. The bacteria will be there. Nowadays, after COVID has come, people started washing their hands. This was there from times immemorial in our dharma. So that is the idea of the Vedic dharma, Vedic way of living. Om Tassat Krishnarpanam.